Hey, I had a great question the other day from a therapist asking why we like to use the yoga blocks when we do the symphysis pubis mobilization instead of using the forearm. So for my health as a therapist, putting my arm and my forearm in here and going like this for bracing can damage my wrist, plus I'm also leaning in a little bit. Or if I'd had my straight wrist in here, I'm also creating too much spread for that ideal contraction when we do the final contraction of the adductor at 100%. So we like to use the yoga blocks. Remember, we do it at 3 inches, 6 inches, and then the final one at 9 inches. Now, the other question that this young lady had for me was, what if we had a large person? What I had to do is I had to modify my tool. I had to use a towel wrapped around the yoga block to create my tool to be that much wider. That works awesome. So